Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. I have the same 6-gen Honda Accord, I believe it's 2002, from my buddy, and he wanted to do more installations besides the last episode where I did the fog light on the rear and the bumper lights. Besides that, he wanted a quick release for the front bumper, and he wanted this tow hook in the front. So I have to remove the bumper first. Once I get to the bumper, get it out, I'm gonna show you it's just a couple holes here on the crash bar. And for the quick release, just make some holes, one on the fender, one on the bumper. So let's get to it. Disconnect the fog light and remove the bumper. I have this special drill bit. I'm gonna make the holes with this one. The holes are gonna be large enough for these bolts, so I don't think I'm gonna run into a lot of problems. I just need to make sure that I take the holes in the right spot. I already marked the holes where I need them. And that's all it takes. This drill bit is a little bit larger, but it's hot. I don't think it's gonna matter because it has larger bolts and it has washers, so it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be the right size for it. You see right here, that's the two holes. Also, this tow hook, it has these little spacers. These ones, they're gonna go first to space the tow hook out, bring it down so it's not gonna hit the bumper. I'm gonna put the bolt with one washer, put it through the hole. Same thing with the other one. Just perfect right there. Then it's gonna go the spacer. After that, the tow hook, then another washer, and get in tight with the lug nut. I'm gonna put them on the first hole. You don't want the tow hook to stick out too much. Okay, I think we got it. I'm not gonna get it tight all the way. I wanna put the bumper to see how much the tow hook is sticking out. What do you guys think? Should I bring it one more hole? I think I'm gonna bring it one more, the one in the middle, just to make it stick out just a little bit more. Guess what, guys? My buddy, I sent him a text and he said he preferred to have it on the passenger side. If you want to put it on the driver's side later on, he already got the holes in it, so it's a win-win, I guess. For the quick release, I remember that I put mine right here, but he wanted them actually on the edge. I already marked on both sides where they're gonna have the holes. I did it on the other side as well. Okay, we have this side. I'm gonna do the same process on the other side, But before I do the whole installation, I need to do the wires for the Fender turn signals. This is the turn signal. I used to have the wires, one to the black and the other one to the green, because that's the turn signal. The only thing that I did is cut that wire from the turn signal and put it on the red one. So when he turned the lights on, those lights, they're gonna be on. Now let me turn the lights on to show you. It's not gonna be turn signal no more. It's gonna stay on at all times. But I need to replace the bulbs to the orange to match the ones that we have over here. And this car at night is gonna look crazy. Okay, I did the wires on the other side, so when you turn the lights on, these ones are gonna be on at all times, and I have the aux, the tents, amber. Now the only thing that I need to do is get this out. This is the T10 that I was running. I'm gonna change it for amber. Obviously you can't go wrong with aux. They're super bright. Okay, this is on. Now let me turn them on. Oh yeah, now we have amber. I'm gonna do the same process on the other side, and then I'm gonna wait until it gets dark so I can show you the end result, because with this I finished everything that I have to do on this car on the outside. And just for the record, the quick release goes like this, and you have the washer that goes behind, and the nut goes behind on the bumper. I'm gonna do the same on the fenders, get them tight, put the bumper back on, and get everything ready. Okay guys, the car is done. Finally, I finished everything that my body asked for. So let me turn on the lights so you can see the end result. Look at those. Running lights now on the fenders. Running lights on the rear bumper. Fog light on the rear. I put all LEDs as well. We have everything done. Plus the tow hook and the quick release for the bumper. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.